Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll break down Notion AI pricing in 2026 inches, a simple way so you can understand exactly what you're paying for and which plan is actually worth it. Notion AI comes with different pricing tiers depending on whether you are an individual, a small team, or a large organization. The first option is the free plan, which costs $0 per member per month. This plan is mainly for basic use, where you can explore Notion's workspace, use limited features, and test out simple AI functions. However, AI access is quite restricted here, so it is mostly useful for beginners or light users who just want to try the platform. The next option is the Plus plan, which costs around $10 per member per month. This plan is designed for individuals and small teams who need better collaboration tools and more advanced workspace features. It gives you a smoother experience and more flexibility, and in many cases, basic AI features are also available, depending on usage limits. Then comes the Business plan, which costs around $20 per member per month and is considered the recommended option for professionals and growing teams. This is where Notion AI becomes much more powerful. You get advanced AI tools, team collaboration features, automation options, and integration with other platforms like Slack and GitHub. This plan is ideal for people who use Notion daily for serious work, content creation, or project management. Finally, there is the Enterprise plan, which comes with custom pricing. This plan is built for large organizations that need high-level security, control, and scalability. It includes advanced admin features, compliance tools, audit logs, and sometimes zero data retention options for AI usage, making it suitable for corporate environments with strict requirements. Overall, Notion AI pricing in 2026 is structured in a way that scales with your needs. If you are a beginner, the Free or Plus plan is enough, but if you want full AI power and professional tools, the Business plan is the best value. Enterprise is only necessary for large companies with advanced security and management needs. So the simple conclusion is this: choose your plan based on how deeply you actually use Notion, not just based on features you might never need. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.